You know what I love most about my business? It lets me be here. Most mornings, you'll find me outside on my 30-acre farm in East Tennessee, feeding animals, working alongside my kids, and building the kind of life my business was supposed to create in the first place. And here's the thing, this only works because my businesses don't depend on me anymore. If you're a real estate operator doing deals every month, but you've hit a ceiling, chances are you don't have a lead problem, you have a systems problem. Somewhere along the way, you became the bottleneck. Every important decision runs through you. Every fire lands on your desk. Every deal needs your approval. Maybe your revenue is growing, but your freedom isn't. If you don't know me, my name is Jerry Norton. I've spent more than 2 decades building and scaling real estate businesses. Today, I'm fortunate to be considered one of the country's leading real estate investors and educators, but what I'm most proud of isn't the number of deals we've done. Okay, there we go. It's that our businesses continue to grow while I'm able to spend most of my time living the life I actually wanted to build, right here on this farm with my family. That's exactly why I'm hosting this private 2-day scale retreat. We'll meet right here on my active 30-acre farm in East Tennessee with a small group of serious 6- and 7-figure operators from around the country. This isn't a seminar. It's not another mastermind full of motivational speeches. It's a workshop to show you exactly what's working today. Together, we'll dig into your business, we'll uncover what's limiting your growth, we'll identify what's broken, we'll figure out where your systems are failing, we'll expose where your team is still too dependent on you, and we'll build a roadmap to help your business scale without requiring you to carry the entire load. You'll spend 2 days with me, the Joe Homebuyer leadership team, and other high-level operators who are building real businesses. No fluff, no theory, just honest conversations about what's actually working today. It's a good piggy. Okay, come on. Okay, there we go. There we go, it's a good sheepy. This retreat isn't for beginners. It's for full-time operators who are consistently doing deals, actively invested in marketing, leading a team, and ready to build a business that creates more freedom, not just more responsibility. We intentionally keep this event small so every attendee gets meaningful interaction and personalized feedback. Because of that, you'll need to complete an application so we can make sure it's the right fit for everyone attending. If you're accepted, there's a small registration fee simply to cover the cost of putting on the retreat. So if you're ready to stop being the bottleneck and build a business that gives you more freedom, fill out the application below. My team will reach out to you to make sure it's a good fit. And if you're accepted, I'll see you here on the farm.